Hi, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. Let's look at our break-even calculator. So this would be, for example, if you're starting a new business and you wanted to check when exactly you would actually break even, the units you would have to sell before breaking even with your costs. So this calculator would be a super fast and easy way to calculate the exact break-even point. So it's super easy. Up here we have the calculator. Down below we have the content that would help you answer any of the questions you may have. You can see exactly the break-even formula, how it's calculated. And we also have, so for this break-even, you would probably come around the term contribution margin. So that's explained here, what exactly that is, what it entails, and so on. There are some examples, so you can quickly get an overview of how exactly this works. But let's just do an example here. So let's say you have a total fixed cost of 50,000. Selling price per unit could be 150. And then the variable cost per unit, let's say cost you 85. So instantly you'll get the break-even units, break-even revenue, the contribution margin, and the contribution margin ratio. Down here you would see exactly how it's calculated. Even if you wanted to double check or just figure out exactly how it's calculated, this is an easy overview for you. Just one pro tip when using this calculator. So don't forget to include your own time as a variable cost. Um, so if you work in the business yourself, just remember to assign an hourly rate and include it as a variable cost per unit. Because without this, your break-even point is misleadingly low. So just consider this, remember it, and take an extra 5 to 10 seconds to get the input right, and the output will be spot on every single time. So this is a super easy and fast way to exactly calculate your break-even point. If you do have any questions for this calculator, just comment them down below.